For a brief review of the tools that we're using today: clutch plate puller, external snap ring pliers, a 3-arm pulley puller, 6-inch or 8-inch, a dead blow hammer, a flathead screwdriver, a 14mm socket for SD7 series compressors, a 3/4-inch socket for SD5 series compressors, a clutch pulley press fixture, Loctite, and a shaft thread protector. Got your lock nut off. One tool that you really need to invest in is a clutch hub remover, an armature puller. We have them, they're available. If you're using air, be careful that you don't drive the drive bolt down into the hub and damage it. Got the hub pulled up. We're going to remove it. All right. At this point, we're down to pulling the pulley off. The pulley's held on by an external snap ring under the nose shaft of the compressor. Once you pull the snap ring off, we'll want to use either the lock nut from the compressor or some type of shaft protector when using your pulley. Got the pulley up, pulley comes off. We're ready to put the pulley back on. Once we've confirmed that the snap ring's on, the coil wire is attached to the nose cone of the compressor, we'll put the pulley on. Always tap it down, just make sure that is. The goal is to apply even force on the drive surface. And these are casted pulleys. They're not machined. They're casted and then they're machined and plated. So the metal is weak and it is very easy to bend it. So, got the pulley back up using a dead blow hammer. Seating it down on the nose of the compressor where the snap ring groove is exposed. Back with the coil snap ring. Same thing applies here at this point. Give it a couple taps to ensure that it's locked into the groove securely. Throughout this process, you might have lost a shim off of the shaft of the compressor. Make sure that you've got, I always start with 2 shims. We're going to achieve a 16 to 32 thousandths air gap, 0.04 to 0.08 metric. This is a brand new compressor. I'm starting with 1, which is from the factory. Line the keyway up with the shaft on the hub. Use your 14mm socket. Slide over the hub and nose of the armature. Tap it down. Does not take a lot of force to do that. At that point, when you're reusing the old lock nut, always take a little Loctite and apply to the shaft. And you're ready to. Clutch is mounted. From this point, if you have a non-recessed clutch pulley that you can use a filler gauge, you'll need to check the air gap and make sure it's under spec. 16 to 32 thousandths, 0.04 to 0.08.